What's up, y'all? It's your girl Desha. Welcome to my channel, Desha's Life. I am here on this Sunday afternoon at the Paradise Creek Nature Park here in Portsmouth, Virginia. Here we are going on this walking trail. Let me see if y'all can see it. It is called the Wildflower Trail. Okay, this is where we're going. Let's get to going. Here we're coming to a little park right here. A little area is called right here. And it says parting the weeds. I'm feeding the bees. So
what is happening?
Let's see. Let's see. I don't know which way exactly to start walking, but I'm coming up on a little park right here for the kitties. And it is called Elizabeth River, a Kids Paradise. They got a nice little mural right here. They got a nice little mural right here. Got a little play area for the kids. I don't have no little ones. Princess Rain has decided to get on the boat. Let's see. Let's see. Look at Princess Rain. Now, I said I didn't have no little ones, but she's over there in the boat. But this is it. If I had Eli, he would be doing this, playing with this stuff. Oh, and look at the back of it, the sign. Oh, here we go. Cute little mural showing the ships and everything. Some information on the wetlands. Which way we gonna go?
Not me. I'm more out of breath.
Which way we gonna go?
Going at that. What's it called? Park.
Okay, I guess we're going this way.
What's it? We should have brought Mom next time.
I don't know. There's people out here riding their bikes.
Next time we gotta bring the bikes.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're walking through the woods.
Next time when my mom and I we're gonna ride our bikes.
Okay, we just saw the bikers come down through here, so we're gonna walk down through this way. I've never been out here, so I don't know. I see some water through there. Guess that's considered the wetlands. Getting a little exercise on. There's really not much to see. I don't see any flowers, and they say there's food out here that's edible, but I don't see anything. Y'all, there's not really nothing to see. But we're just walking. Y'all stay tight.
My mom and I found
There's some water.
this like bridge, and so I guess with a boat or something, you can like go here. I guess. I'm not really sure.
That.
I'll bring it
I know you can bring your kayaks out here. I don't see nobody out here on it though. Yep. And you launch it right there. To bring it, and you slide down right here. I'm going back. This is protected. wetlands. Protected wetlands. There's a rainwater catcher. Y'all can see it. Catch the rainwater.
Shade garden. There's a lot of shade out here. I swear to God, I'm here again. And it did. Okay, so
We out here getting attacked by bugs.
the bug comes near me again. I swear.
Okay, y'all, look at this.
And I'm not going to so.
Look at that.
It looks really cool though. I want to know how long people made this.
Bugs.
I want to know how long it took for them to make
Look,
this
y'all.
whole thing.
Look at that. Bugs is tearing me up. Let's see.
Oh wow.
What does it say?
No. I'm getting attacked by so many bugs.
Y'all, look, I'm
and
sweating.
I'm tired of this.
Princess Rain and I getting attacked by bugs. I'm tearing my forehead up. And I think it has to do with the stuff I got in my hair. Because I got flies. Look, I'm too fat for all this. And I'm in the shade sweating bullets. Yeah. It's not fun being a big girl. Watch out for the big girl, big girl, big girl, big girl. Yep. We are walking up out of here. You see the trees? There was some guys sitting over there, y'all. We weren't walking that way because they were over there getting their drink on. So we ain't doing that. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all this arch. Hold tight. Okay, y'all, look at that. There's a sign. So let's walk through. Butterfly weed. You don't know anything about that stuff? I don't. Weed is a weed to me. But yeah, I'm not going through there. They say you can enter, but I'm not going through there, y'all. Like that grass or something need to be cut. Walk up on a snake. I'm good. Yeah, we're coming up out of here. Woo! Now people want to show up. We got out here, it was just 2 cars. And it's like right across the street from a neighborhood. If it wasn't for the news, I would have never known. New house being built over there. But anyway, that's that.